Hello lovely ones. So we're going to do a special little exercise together as we step into the new year, because we really want to know if we are taking the pathway that is for our highest best. And we can choose that pathway when we tap into the part of us that is guiding us, the light aspect of us and our higher self. There are lots of ways to do that, and so I thought I would start to show you some of the ways that I use that can help me just to be a little bit more certain about the direction I'm choosing to take. Join me on the 6th and 13th of February. This is the Beginner's Essential Workshop to learn how to process and progress as we continue to learn ways that we can guide ourselves using our inner compass, using a pendulum, and whatever wonderful ideas come channeling through, we're going to use that and find ways to support and help each other and to help our own being do the most profound and excellent life journey that we can. So look out for the details and join me if you can. It's going to be wonderful. Thank you for you.